Hey guys, hey girls, hey whoever, it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be opening my FabFitFun box for fall 2022. Now let's get into this and see what's in here. As always, we have the magazine, just a little bit of information about the products inside, and just 1 minute. Sorry if that was hard to hear. Had my fan on. Got the usual coupons and such. Paper. Let's see what this is. Our first item is the Skin Chemist's Pure Collagen 5% Biphase Serum. Let's see, it's supposed to brighten, hydrate, and smooth. And this seems like it would be a really nice product. Next, we have this measuring cup set from Food 52. Let's open this up. Take a look. First, it's a set of measuring spoons and cups, standard ones. Has gold chains for them, and they seem to be pretty good quality. Actually, I really like this cut set. And look at those colors too. Blues and greens. I really like those. Next, we have the Calm and Replenish Balance Me Eye Cream Serum. Or sorry, Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream with hyaluronic acid and witch hazel. From Balance Me, of course. Take a look at this. Get a nice little bottle of it. 15 mils. Seems quite nice. Next we have a hat from, it's a Michael Kors hat actually. Take a peek. Just Michael Kors. Little gray poof. Has the symbol right there. And it's actually pretty cute. Got a puff ball. I'm definitely planning on wearing that this fall and winter. Let's see. After that, we have this Luxie Enchanted Eye set of brushes. Got a couple shaders, blenders. It comes with a flat definer, concealer, blending, and a shader brush. It has a lovely green color to it, like a greenish teal. Actually, teal's my favorite color if you didn't know. But, great. And here's an item that I actually chose, and I'm so excited about. It is the Weekender bag from Molly and Lily. I got the color Abstract, and I'm really excited about this one. I mean, look, it's huge, it's beautiful, I can't wait to use this. Just look at that. Alright, so no makeup came in this box, so I won't be able to try anything on today, but I actually am really happy with what I got, really excited. Okay guys, I'll see you guys next week. Have a lovely day. Bye.